weekly live stream. Let me know if you can hear me properly, or if the sound and audio and video is all good. Yeah, let's let's wait some time so that people can join in, and also let me know about the audio. I'm going live from my phone, and I'm using lav mic to understand, like, to see the quality of the audio. Okay, let me know. Let's wait for a few people to join, and then we can start taking question and answer on this live stream. For the people who are new to the live stream, they should know that these live stream are about web development, about SEO, about digital marketing, about Google rankings, about how to get more traffic on your website, on these topics. So yes, if you have any questions regarding all this topic, let me know. Okay, so we have few people joined to the stream already. Welcome back, guys, to the stream. If you are a regular viewer of the channel, if you're new to the channel, then also I welcome you to the channel. And this stream gonna be about tech things. It will be about web development, SEO, general, also career advice. If you want any career advice in tech, how to make career in tech, if you want some interview tips and stuff, let me know that also. Okay, I'm just thinking how can I invite more people to the stream, because last time we talked about if we can invite more people via on our stream. Let me see. Okay, no, I cannot invite. Let me see. Community moderation. Two people are online here, guys. Let me know if everything looks good. Perfect. Okay, I think everything looks good. Okay, so guys, if you know already, we created last couple of videos on the channel. If you go and you can watch those videos. These videos were like, first video was about why your GST data might be wrong. I explain, like, a lot of people, when they go to Google Search Console, they see the data which is old data. It's a known issue, and also you have to understand that every time you make some changes on your Search Console account, or you apply some fixes on your website, it takes time to change that reporting in Google Search Console. So if you made any changes on your website and then you expect that it's gonna change like very quickly, that's not the case. You have to wait for some time. Okay, that's very important thing about Search Console. I created a video about it. You can watch. It's a very small video, 3-4 minute video. If you want to improve your knowledge, you can go and watch that video. The other video I created was about stop guessing, see exactly how Google crawls your site. So it was about Google crawl stats exists in Search Console. So it was about that. So you can also go and watch those two videos. Okay, we have 4 people online, guys. Who are you, the new viewer of the channel or your old one? Let me know where are you from, where are you watching the stream from. And if any questions about website development, SEO, Google AdSense, blogging, Search Console, getting traffic on the website, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, on any of these topics, let me know. I will be happy to answer your question. Okay, let me send a message to our WhatsApp group so people can know that we are live, because sometimes YouTube does not provide the notification to channels. And also, guys, if you have not turned on the notification bell, please make sure click on the notification bell, turn it on, so that every time I go live, you guys will get the notification and you can ask your questions which you want to ask about the website development. Yeah, last time it was an interesting stream. We had like first live stream of the year for 2026 on the channel. So this time I'm trying to do more stream this year. Maybe we're gonna add new Sunday on the streams. We did like few times last year Sunday stream, but mostly the Wednesday live stream, the regular one. So yeah, and also some people who are might be waiting on the desktop, we are live on mobile. Yeah, because like always we have some technical issue on with the cam. I totally give up on Windows and Sony camera. Like I'm not sure how it works. Yeah, every time there's some issue with setup, all these things, so I had to go live via phone. Okay, so we have Ravi Kumar Alluri. Hi Ravi, how are you doing, brother? Hope you're doing fine. And then we have Adil Akram 8R8R. Hi Adil, how are you doing? If any questions, let me know. And if somebody knows if we can add some people on stream, is it possible, or how we can do that? I don't think so, but okay. Okay, let's. Ravi, how it is going? Are you having some effects of the update, December update on your website? Because there was a core update launch in during the December. I think it's completely rolled out now because we are in January already. Or yeah, so let me know if you guys see any difference on your website. Sayyida, I mean, how to get order? Order about what? Please provide more information. What do you mean when you say how you get order? What does that mean? You're selling some products online or is it digital product? What kind of order you are talking about here? Let me know more details. This is very less detail to answer you with the detail you have provided. So yeah, let me know. I'll be happy to answer you. And also, like, if you want to learn a lot of stuff, we already have videos created on almost all the topics regarding website development, or like managing a website, from security to backups to a lot of strategies, getting traffic on the website, ranking website. Yeah, how to get order for website, but explain more. What do you mean to create website? What do you mean when you say how to get order for website? Explain more, dear. If you explain a little bit, how would I understand? You have to, if this is the thing, it's very important. Then you ask somebody some question, that be please detail, provide more details about the question, provide background, because sometimes it's hard for the person to understand what you're talking about. So yeah, let me know what you, when you say about how to get order for website, explain what kind of website you was talking about here. Sayyid Amin. Okay, 6 people online, guys. Who is new to the stream and who is old to the stream? Let me know where you guys watching the stream from. And yes, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer you. Okay. And also, guys, I have created some new playlists on the channel. So I have created like some playlists collecting some videos, because sometimes videos are little bit not very well organized. When you create video, like one by one you create the videos, but there's no option you can club them together. So that's why I created new playlists on the channel which are much more organized. If you go to the channel, you'll find playlists for like WordPress for beginners, SEO for beginners, then you have AI indexing playlist, pages not indexing issue playlist, then you have Google Search Console playlist. So a lot of playlists are there on the channel, the new playlist. So it's more organized now. Just go to the channel and go to playlist, and you'll find so many new playlists created on the channel. How to get order for making website? I am WordPress developer. Okay, now but use Upwork, use Fiverr. There's a popular platform you can use to get order to create website if you're a website developer. And also you can watch my last video I've created on this topic. You can also outreach to the local businesses in your area who does not have websites. You can check my last videos. You will know that how to even create website using AI. Like WordPress is good. I'm always creating website using WordPress, but nowadays if you want to make quick website, I think AI is the best way. You will not need to set up all those things using WordPress. Of course, for long term, you need WordPress. It gives you more control on the website. The CMS is more mature. But yes, for a selling website, I think the AI is the best way to do. I created, go to the channel. I think, let me tell you when I posted that video. So that video, if you go to the channel, is third last video on the channel. Like 2 weeks ago, I posted the website. The title is how to create website using AI and sell them. So in this topic, Sayyida Amina, I covered that how to sell website. So I give you a couple of example. Like first example was how to sell it on Upwork, and I also included the emails, that which email you have to send, you should be sending to the clients, and then how you like approach your sales pitch. And also, like I also explain how to find businesses local on the map, and then you can outreach to them and sell them AI created website, because it's not going to take a lot of time if you create website using AI. Of course, first when your client will provide you some more information about like what they want and how the website should be, then it might take you more time to edit that website. Of course, you can always use AI to edit the websites. But if you're already WordPress developer, you already know how to create website, it should not be a big issue for you. You can use AI, or you can do directly by yourself. So yeah, it's totally on you how you want to approach this, how to want to approach your strategy for selling websites. So yeah, that was my advice on this topic. Let me know if any other questions. Okay, 9 people online, guys. What is up? How are you guys doing? Official Shivni Kumar discover. What do you mean by discover? Dear, explain the ask the full question. How would I understand what do you mean by discover? Do you want to know about how to get on discover, or like what do you want to know what is discover? So if you're just talking about what is Discover, Discover is a feed by Google. It is available on many places. When you open your Google app on your mobile phone, or I think use Chrome browser in certain countries, you see the by default post there. This interest-based feed, and everybody got different feed on their phone, on their desktop, which is called Discover feed. For example, if I'm interested in watches, digital marketing, and cars, or all those things, so I will see related feeds in my Discover feed. That's why it's called discover. So I want to discover my own interests, which I'm already interested in, and Google present me with the more how to say, more content which I'm already interested in. So that is what the discover feed is. How to get order for? Okay, we covered this. Google Discover website. What do you mean Google Discover? Okay, ask full question, guys. What's happening? Ask full question. Google Discover website. What do you want to know about? You want to know how to create a Google Discover website, or like Google Discover website is not a separate website, it's just a normal website. Your content will display on Google Discover. For example, you can have any kind of website. You can have WordPress, you can have Blogger website, you can have Webflow website, you can have HTML website, any kind of website. And if your website is added to Google Discover, then your website content will be displayed on Google Discover. There is a no special website for Google Discover. Is that your question? Official Ashwini, okay, official Ashwini Kumar. Was that your question, or yeah? 12 people on the stream, guys. If you like the stream, it's really helpful for the channel reach, and more people will know about the live stream. So if you on the stream, just press the like button to support the channel. We have already our channel is down because of the copyright strike on the channel. Unfair copyright strike videos coming very soon on this topic. I will let you know, guys, how it is going. Okay, can I use AI to create Blogspot and still can monetize? Yes, you can use AI to create, but Blogspot is complicated. It's you don't have a lot of control on Blogspot. You cannot put your own. No, Blogspot is very complicated. AI and Blogspot is does not go like hand in hand. Blogspot is already very old platform. If you are doing blogging or creating website on Blogspot, like you're already losing. So don't just, and even with AI, how you will do it, it's gonna be very very complicated for you to change anything. You can try to create a theme, a blogger theme, and then upload it, and then try to manage the website from there, but usually I won't recommend it. But if that works for you, why not go for it? Try it. Like AI is super useful for a lot of things in these days. Even I have not tried everything with AI, but I think if you'll try, you will definitely find something interesting to be creating on Blogger. What do you mean TAM in digital marketing? TAM is like total addressable market. Like what is the market size for that product, or for example, whatever is your services you're providing, or anything what you're providing is you can see if, that can be defined by TAM. You can go to Search Console. There are a lot of website available on the market which can provide you data with like what the TAM for that product, or that for service, or that for keyword also. You could say you can go to Google Keyword Planner tool, which will tell you also like how to know that if there's enough traffic or is there enough interest in that field. So yeah, this like broader like idea about it. Sir, Hostinger is best DNS or Cloudflare? What I use? I think Cloudflare is better than Hostinger, but does not matter if you have any simple website. Does not matter. Use any both of like both are fine. Not a big issue. If your website is global website, then I would use. I can book my hosting using Hostinger because Yeah, it's cheap, very cheap, and then I can connect my website with Cloudflare and take benefit of free Cloudflare DNS, which is like, the propagation will be faster and the website will be globally fast. So for example, if you bought a cheap hosting in India, Nepal, or somewhere like countries where you don't have like big hosting prices, and then but you want to serve your website to different part of the world, then you could use Cloudflare, or any other CDN to make your website faster globally. So that would I would do if I'm at your place. Unique researcher, how to do on-page SEO for a website. On-page, it's very hard to explain in a small live stream, but yes, on-page SEO. First of all, start with the titles. Like, have a good title. Meta description should be good. Start with a heading, which should be H1 on the page, and then one big featured image, which should be like 1280 pixel wide. If you want to go over Google Discover, and then you start writing the very quick summary about the post, or the page you're writing, and then the detail of the page or the topic you are talking there. And do not use too much, do not, how to say, abuse keyword stuffing on the page. Use it properly. It would be nice if you use semantic SEO. I have a video on the channel to learn semantic SEO where you are not keyword stuffing, but you are using the NLP, natural language processing, to address the content. For example, if I create a page about, like, for example, digital marketing services, I will not use digital marketing services keyword like million times on the page. Instead, what I will use it in NLP, like terms related to digital marketing, and also with some things or services which are coming under the digital marketing. So that I would use to on page optimize my website. Also, depending which platform you're using, you have a lot of tools which will guide you to do on-page SEO. You can always use help of ChatGPT or Gemini or Perplexity, Claude, any AI tool to improve the on-page SEO for your website. Of course, tell them that do not change the content. For example, if you already content created for your page or for your post, tell these AI tool do not change the content, and you can always paste the content and say okay, optimize it, and like take out the headings, or just ask them to structure the content you already created. Make sure it's not changing your content, it's just like organizing your content. So that could be a good thing for on page optimization. And for example, if you're on WordPress, I have already video on WordPress that how to use rank maths or Yoast SEO's feature. When you are creating your page or post, it will tell you like how good your page is in terms of on page SEO. So once you start changing things, it will be like for example, use keyword in the first sentence, and then a couple of time more, one time in heading. So when you do all these things, you will improve on page SEO of your website. Watch that video. There are a lot of videos on the channel about step by step process about on page SEO. Sir, when I use Cloudflare, I check speed. Cloudflare 100. When I check speed inside, it's okay. Don't worry about it. 80 plus is good speed. Rizwan, don't waste your time into these small petty things. If you're getting anywhere 80 plus, it's totally fine. And also, speed of the website changes time to time. It's not always same depending on the traffic on your website, depending on the load on a website, depending on the hosting, depending on the time, depending on the location of a server. It might change a lot. So if you're getting around 80 plus scores, don't worry too much about it. That's totally fine speed scores for your website. FOMO is channel. Thank you. You are most welcome. For what? Sir, you look bad with this style. Okay, thank you so much for your feedback. Trilochan, what to do after AdSense approved? Nothing. Make good content. Why you get AdSense approval? To make money. So yeah, create good content after AdSense approval. I would say, like, do not depend on the AdSense. I think it's the not the best way to make money with your website or your blog. So I would recommend you to go for affiliate marketing. That could be a real nice way to make money on your with your website. Like, do not be stay dependent on Google AdSense. Like, really, I would never prefer it. So yeah, that will my advice. And there's so many videos on the channel about AdSense. You can watch the videos. And guys, we have 12 people online. We have only 5 likes. If you can like the stream, I'll really I'm really happy. We have channel reached down because copyright strike. People already know it's gonna expire in like 30 days or something, and then we might see the channel go back again because now channel reach is really down because I used 3 seconds of video of somebody's videos, and I think it's under fair use, and I did not got time to challenge the copyright strike. Maybe I'll do soon. Could you please share and prompt for blog or any formula to rank blogs on such in unique researcher? There's so many useful videos on the channel. I include prompts in a lot of things, and but ask me a particular question. What kind of prompt you want? Like prompt or formula to rank blogs on search engine, it does not exist. There's no magic. If you are somebody who's looking for magic prompt or magic formula so your website could rank, brother, you are just like I don't know, you are just hiding your the you don't want to see the truth. It does not work like this. You have to do a lot of hard work. You have to do a lot of backlink creation. You have to write good content. It's hard work. There's no shortcut formula for this. It's only exists in the YouTube videos when people they motivate you to make a lot of money, but it does not happen like this. Ask me the specific question about specific thing because a formula to rank on blog on search engine does not exist. You have to do a lot of things in order to do that. How much time it will success in blogging? I got AdSense and every stuff, but I need guidance from you. Like how much time to first success? What do you mean success? Define success. For success, somebody, for example, it's not about money. For example, somebody is creating, for example, this YouTube channel I am working on. It's not always about views or something. It's like I'm happy to create videos to help people to do this live stream. So I don't define success in this point. I have something else in my life to do. This is not my main thing. It's something like on the side I do. It's more like social responsibility. So I think I'm successful on YouTube. If for you success is making a lot of money, so then depends directly on your skills. If you keep writing content from ChatGPT, it's impossible to get success on blogging. Especially 2025, it's impossible. But if you improve your skills, I think 3 to 6 months would be a good time. If you're improving your skills, you're learning, you're spending time in learning different things. 3 to 6 months is a good time to see some little bit of traction on blogging. Also to learn new things like how to rank your website on AI searches also. That's very important because Google search is going dead almost. Like a lot of things, people are not going to Google. I don't go to all the time to Google. Instead, I ask the Copilot or Grok or Gemini or ChatGPT about a lot of things. So also make sure you are focusing AI searches also. And how to do that? This is the skills you have to learn. I have videos on all these topics on the channel. You can go and watch those videos and learn how to do all these things. Did I miss something or I answer all the question? Okay, 14 people online, 7 likes, guys. Why we don't have 14 likes on the stream? My post Cinema Volto. My posts are not indexing on any site. Yeah, I understand. You don't need to comment. Oh, Cinema Volto. Stop mentioning the same comment all the time. It's called spamming. That's not cool, brother. When the time will come, when I will reply to your question. So your posts are not indexing. There could be multiple issues. First issue could be your website is new. When your website is new, what happens? Google don't trust your website. Google does not know that if your website is reliable or not. So what the first thing you could do is add your site to Search Console, add your site to Bing Webmaster Tools, create some social media profiles for your website and interlink your website from all these places. Second thing what you can do in starting is to post regularly. If you are posting regularly, like for example, like 3 or 4 blog posts every week you're posting for a long time, 1 or 2 months, that's a really good sign for Google that this website is trustworthy website and it's a reliable website. Do not post in starting like I think you should never post any content which is not reliable content. Too much too much exaggerated or hard to believe. Do not post this kind of content. So yes, that you can do first thing. Second thing what you can do is to create backlinks. The more backlinks you will create, the more trust your website will get. And do on-page SEO. SEO is the on-page and off-page SEO. SEO is the best thing you can do to a website with the indexing. And for example, if you go to Google Search Console, you will see all your website pages on Search Console, that why pages are not being indexed. It's a real thing. Just go to Search Console, you will find a reason. Let me try to let me open my Search Console account and I can show you how you can do that. Search Console is very, very important. Everybody who got a website, they should be, okay, for example, like let me show you. Okay, so if you see here in Search Console, here you have all the pages. If you click on pages here on the left side and then you scroll down, you see why page is not being indexed. So you know the reason why they're not being indexed. The reason will be here. So if they're not indexing, find the reason. There is one of those reasons why your page is not indexed, and then take action, fix those issues. Yeah, this you can do to in order to know why page not being indexed and then index them. And go to the channel. I have so many videos on this topic, man. Indexing is I covered very in too much detail on my channel, that how to index pages on website. My post on how many income sources? Multiple. I have multiple income sources, but this channel is not about just talking about money. So yeah, there are so many other channels who talk about these things, but I think it's more like, I understand you're talking about blogging, you're talking about multiple income sources. It's a good mindset to have, but also you have to understand that it's not about how many sources you have to income sources. It's all about how much skills you have, so that you can have multiple income sources. You cannot generate multiple income sources without the skills. So I have my agency, and then I do investing. I have other things also. I have affiliate marketing things. Then I have this YouTube channel. Does not make a lot of money, but still something comes from here too. So yeah, a lot of things are there. Sir, my site I created 52 website 3 months ago. Daily 500 impression. Click 2 3. Yeah, tool website are, what kind of tool website do you have? We talk about a lot on this channel about tool website. Tool website really hard to rank, and I don't know who give you suggestion about tool website, but yeah, they're really, yeah, not the best way to spend your time on. If you're creating tool like image editing tools or SEO tools, or like generic tools, they're useless. You're wasting your time. Nobody would come there. And anybody who's telling you to create this kind of low value tool website, just unsubscribe those people. They're wasting your time. Yeah, so if you have 50 tool website 3 months ago, what is the tool about? Think about it. How to get AdSense approved? Okay, create a nice menu. Let me tell you like how to get AdSense approval. Create a nice menu, put all the categories on your what is your blog is about. For example, if you have for example automobile blog, put cars, put motorcycles, put EV cars, put like new launches, main categories on the menu. That's really important. Create a nice homepage, put the featured image on the featured post on the top, put 2 or 3 different categories, 4 blog posts from every categories, and then recent posts, or put a sidebar. Work on EAT, add a real profile, and add at least 30 blog posts on your website. And then do not stop posting once you have 30 blog posts. Post regularly even after applying to AdSense. That's a really good thing. That's a really good sign. So when you're applying for Google AdSense and you don't stop posting, that's a really good sign for AdSense. Google see that your website is publishing content regularly. It's not just here for like short term. So yes, that's a good thing to do with the website. AdSense is not that hard, dear. Like, watch my videos. I have a complete step-by-step videos on the channel. How to get AdSense approval, step-by-step process from start to end. You will get the AdSense approval. It's not that really hard. Day by day, I'm hearing this question in interview: how to improve our SEO strategy using Google Search Console and analytics. Share some valuable tips. Unique search. Yeah, but that's really important. You have to okay. So Search Console analytics. This is all about how the world is interacting with your website and how Google is interacting with the website. Once you have that data, because for example, if I launch my website, but I don't know who is coming to my website, I don't know which pages the people are visiting, I don't know how much time they're spending on website, how would I take action? So once you have all this data, which you can get from analytics and Search Console, there are a lot of other tools also, third-party tools available, which you can use to analyze the website, traffic, behavior of users on your website, and other things. then you can take action. It's a little bit detailed topic. If you ask me a specific question, I can give a specific answer, but yes, you have to learn all these things in order to use those tools properly. Thanks for guidance. Satisfied, not have to buy your channel subscription. Oh, thank you so much. You're most welcome. I'm happy that I provide some value. Initially, posts were indexed. After a few days, they are indexed. Are you writing posts with ChatGPT generated AI post? Should I purchase Moz the Cinema Vault? I no, it's not important. Moz, like indexing is totally different thing. Improve your skills. See what you are doing with the body of the website. You don't need to really buy Moz or any other paid subscription. There are a lot of free tools available. You would never basically, like if you are like beginner or individual, you have small project, small website, small business, you would never need any paid tool to grow your website. Like of course, when start making money, you can try some paid tools in order to make your life easy, in order to have some more advantage from these premium tools. But if you are just like a newbie, you really don't need any paid tool for your website. Yeah, I am affiliated with a lot of paid tools, but yeah, I won't recommend you that you should be buying paid tools for your website. Gurpreet Singh, how should content be structured so AI overview can easily understand, index them AI? Yes, this is a very nice question. So if you go to my channel and there is a step-by-step video I created. Let me tell you the title of the video so you can search for the video. So the video is called yeah. So the one video is called what million of AI searches use AI SEO plus GEO, generative engine optimization. Is basically SEO but more focused towards GEO. So let me tell you like few things what you can do. Born Pixel, Akash Mehti, hello, how are you? Okay, coming back to AI SEO, like how to get more traffic from AI searches or AI overviews. First of all, answer directly. For example, you create a blog post about like best laptop for video editing. Your website should have direct answer like in the first few lines. You should have, okay, MacBook 2025 is the best video editing laptop. Or you can say Dell Alienware is the best laptop for video editing. This should be sentence in your content. Like directly, especially if it is uh, early on the post, it's very helpful. Second, try to create your content like multi content in one content piece. For example, like what is the best laptop for video editing? So you can say, okay, first of all, answer like directly. The best video editing laptop overall is MacBook 2025. Let's say you can say this, and then after you tell about like why it's a good laptop, the image of the laptop, and then all the good points about it. Then you can say, okay, best laptop, best video editing laptop under $1,000. Then you can create next post there, write in some information. Then next you can create like a section in the same post like best video editing laptop for students, best video editing laptop for professional, best Windows editing laptop. So you can provide a lot of value like this, and also use NLP. NLP is really important for AI optimization. For example, I see this is the big common problem. A lot of people when they write content for their website, what they do, for example, if you're writing the content like what is the best video editing laptop, people say there are so many good video editing laptops in the market, depending who are using, and like just that does not make sense. Give the right answer directly and also talk in natural language, especially when you generate the content from AI generated AI tools that is not NLP. It's very even people will give you prompt like this people, if you believe those people that you tell ChatGPT use NLP, use natural language processing, and it could never do that. It's very complicated to generate a natural language content with these AI tools. Even you tell them also they cannot do that, because end of the day they are AI tools. They are getting good, but yes, of course, the detectors already will always know this content created from AI gen content. So keep the language simple, how you're talking to a friend, and uh, give answer directly. And there's so many other things I talk about in this video. I think I created this video around 6 months ago. Let me see what points I talk in this video, because sometimes you prepare the video and then you forget. Okay, so let me tell you, there's 5 points. So first point is direct plus snippable content. So when you have the direct content, it's snippable. Snippable means AI can take a snippet from this content and then it can put on the AI overviews or on AI such as on ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, anywhere else. So write clear and concisely. AI prefer direct, fluff-free answers. Start with EAT. Make sure you have EAT on the website, so they know that this is a reliable website. Answer directly up front. Use formatting, bullet points, heading, short paragraph, tables. Make content scannable. Like for example, when you go to content, you're not reading everything. You just scan everything from your eyes. You see image, you see table with ranking, you see more pictures, you see how much RAM is there, you see how much the other specifications. So make content scannable. That's a really good point. Second, intent plus conversational optimization. So intent is very important. If you don't know the intent behind that piece of content you're creating on your website, or it could be landing page, it could be anything. If you are in digital marketing, or if you use and if you want to learn more digital marketing, you should really learn about intent. For example, if I create a content about the best cake recipe, and I just write the recipe which I know, but I never start with the intent. Maybe somebody want to know the intent of a user is how to know a cake recipe with no tools, or within 30 minutes. So know that you should always start with the intent. For example, if somebody want to know what is the best video editing software, let's say, and then I start talking about a lot of paid things, I talk about a lot of other techniques, I talk about a lot of other fluff around the topic. So intent will not be satisfied. I should be satisfying the intent. That's very, very important. Third is schema plus tech optimization. So use structured data, FAQs, how to article schema, which is really helpful for AI to understand your content. Optimize meta tags and also add person schema, like which include author details and bio, social media handles, and all those things, or same as also. And then multi-platform authority. For example, build an online footprint. So put your content like. Okay, I hope, I think there was some glitch with the YouTube, it stopped. So put like, create a multi-platform authority. That's really, really important. So yeah, this is the thing, and then you can go on the channel, watch the video, which is like using AI SEO or just SEO. Like AI SEO is like just to specific approach towards SEO. Definitely, there's a big debate on internet that is AI SEO real thing? Is GEO is real thing, or just SEO? So I think just say SEO is just SEO. Basic of SEO is always be used, because how you will find the content, how you will decide which content is good. So that's this, and how you will showcase your content to the world. So yes, it's all the SEO basics, but yes, you can always use some tricks which AI tools are using to fetch the content and deciding whether the content is good or not. So yeah, but they're all SEO basics. Go watch the video on the channel. You will have a lot of knowledge from that video. That's a really good video. Born Pixel, I have a question. When I search my website name Born Pixel on Google, it's not showing my logo icon. Can you help me fix that? But set up a fav icon. What is your website? Born Pixel. Yeah, put a fav icon. I have video on this topic. Just go and check the video on the channel. And it might take some time. It's not like you put today. It might take few days to make your to show the fav icon of your website. Yeah, mostly most of the theme have this option. If it's not working, there might be issue with the theme or something. Follow the standard procedure and it should be there online. Weber, hello sir, how are you? New hairstyle, looking great. Thank you so much, Weber. How are you doing, dear? How it is going? Yeah, there must be some issue. Troubleshoot. Born Pixel, you are a programmer. Troubleshooting, troubleshoot the why it's not properly working. Also, you can use sometime, what happens with sometimes with themes, they're not able to really put it properly. So there's some plugins also available which because you first of all you're using WebP. Don't use WebP. And also, like, wait, let me see if I can see something. WebP is good for images, but yeah, use the classic one for PNG. Let me see fav icon. I don't see a fav icon on your website. Site icon, no, I cannot see the code. It's not added properly. No, you don't have to properly edit it. Edit it properly, maybe use another plugin. Watch the video I already created on this topic to know the to implement properly. It's all my own. Got it. Now it's all my own. What do you mean by that? Just stream from work, Weber. Okay. What did you work? What project you working these days? I have to check then. Yes, I think I answered all the questions. Is there any question unanswered? Let me know. Yeah, Weber. Again, today we have the technical issue. No, this stupid tech. Like we are in the age of AI, but we cannot have this camera plus a laptop working properly every time with some very basic softwares. They work sometime, they don't work sometime. It's on them. Yeah. So yeah, but most of all, I think I will ask you guys to please go and watch the videos and improve your skills, because it's all about skills. Like everybody should be learning things at the same time. Do not be dependent on tricks and all these things. For example, like shortcut technique, they will never help you. I might help you for something today, and what happened, like I cannot help you for every small thing. So most of the things you have to work at your own. And how you will know all these things? By working. The personal experience is the best thing ever. You can watch a YouTube video, you can read a book about anything, but unless you have the practical experience of that thing, you won't be improving in that field. It's an e-commerce platform where I am doing SEO and optimizing. Nice, nice. But Weber, you live in UK, right? Where do you live? I forget. I think we might like talked about this thing before. So yeah, okay. I think I forgot to send a message in the group. Okay. No, sir, I'm in India. Okay, I confuse with other Webho then. Were you traveling for UK or something? No. Okay, guys, I make very quick announcement on our WhatsApp group that I'm live. Somebody want to ask the question, they could come. Okay. Community announcement. Okay, I cannot add it. Can you? Oh, I think you are the admin. Can you add the in the? Yeah, Pallav got 1 more week of time. It's too late for him now. Wait, let me see if I can manage groups. 175 members already in the group. Nice. That's a big number. Manage groups. I cannot send message to the group. Okay, maybe it's not on the desktop. View groups. Okay, I think now you can send announcement. Hello guys. Okay, I did it, I think. Technical issues means Pallav, yeah, true. He will come like by the when we're gonna end the stream by that time. 8 people online, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. And also thinking to shift this stream to Sunday. What do you think about Vaibhav, you think it would be a good, would it be a good idea or not? Because I think on Sunday also people, like, I thought about it Sunday, but people, they want to go out, they're not at home, so it's complicated. People want to rest, nobody want to watch, I think, YouTube video on Sunday. They want to stay out and do, like, maybe go to movie or go out with friends, spend some time outside. I don't think that Sunday is the best time to do the live stream. So Wednesday, now we have Wednesday, but I would like to take a, maybe I let me put a poll on the on the community, that whether we should move the live stream to some other day. Yeah, that could be an interesting thing. Hello bhaiya, how are you? Good, Adarsh, I'm doing good. How are you doing, dear? How is it going? Don't send any money today on the stream, please. Yes, we can do test stream on Sunday and see the response. Yes, right, right, right. Let's see. And I think we have the natural reach down of the channel also. Like, we are getting like around 2-3 thousand views per day, which used to be like, I don't know, like 10,000, like 7-8 thousand views. So like almost 30%, like 60% drop in the reach. But yes, I think the copyright strike will expire soon, so I think we will get the reach back of the channel. Yeah, because if you're creating, if we are putting a lot of efforts in these videos, but it's not reaching to people, then it does not make a lot of sense. But yes, maybe in future, because I think this video could be something which could be watched for long time, for many years, not just for like short time. So they're like long term videos. For example, it's not like a current topic or a video which is like relevant only for a few days. Most of the videos which we create, they are relevant for coming many years. So yeah, that could be a nice thing. If the reach of channel is down right now, does not matter, it will be I think it will be back once we got the copyright strike expire. I read about it, they say usually it does not happen with copyright strike. We have one copyright strike, but I realized, like, just after the day we got the copyright strike, the impression went down. It was not like how it used to be. Okay, any more question, guys? Somebody want to ask, or we finish the live stream? 36 minutes already we on the live stream, and I think it's yeah. What time is it in India? Like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8:30 or something? YouTube himself facing issues. Too many streamers tweeted related glitch. Yeah, but a lot of issues. First of all, I don't understand how YouTube would allow to put copyright strike on the 3 seconds of video views of somebody. That's also like not the complete screen. It's just like, like the somebody is watching the video, or like very small part that YouTube allows it. It's already very. I was very surprised by it, because we are not. If I'm using somebody's the whole content, it makes sense. But if you're not using somebody's whole content, then how somebody can issue a copyright strike? It is not good and not bad either, because I'm confused about whether should I BA in economics India or foreign, but the dates of form has passed 14th of January. Whether you should do BA in economics from India or foreign, but the dates form have passed 14th January. For what? For India or for foreign? But if you're doing from, I don't know, you can do a master's from India, and then you can do something like, sorry, you can do bachelor's, BA in economics from India, from a good college, from a good university, and then you can do master's or PhD in economics from some foreign country. Depends how your interest will improve. Usually they have February intake also. I think, okay, yeah, I think it's late for you now. Maybe you can go in September intake. In most of the countries they have the September intake. So maybe prepare for now, because it's not that easy to get admission in a good university even abroad also. Yeah, they have, it's not as competitive like in India, that India you have to everybody has to give a really huge exams, and you have to fight for a seat with million other people. In foreign countries it's not like that. I think it's much more easy to get admitted in a good college, like very good university. And yeah, but you have to be on time. You have to have a lot of like motivation to pursue that course. You're not just doing without knowing anything about that course. I know people, they got admission in a lot of big colleges Yeah, outside India, and also like there are a lot of scholarship programs available if you want to study outside India, also. And yeah, why not try it? But it's too late now for this intake. I'm thinking you're too late. But prepare for now. In 6 months, you have I think like few months. The next intake will start for September, and then you can prepare for it. Why not? It's a big flaw. One more streamer got 3 strike on his own clip by random person, and he's saying 5 lakh and will remove. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh wow, 7 million subs. Who got this strike, copyright strike? Yeah, we have like 42,000 people. Yeah, but the problem is like, which is really, like something which bothers me is like, we run this channel from 6 years. This is the seventh year we are running this channel. We have very nice community of 42,000 people. Even there, I'm sure there are a lot of, I think that double, more than 100,000 people who watch the channel content regularly, or who got help from the channel, because not everybody subscribes. Sometimes I'm also not subscribing to all the channels. So if we have like, let's say 42, we just say let's 40-50,000 people we have, that's a good community, that's a good number for a technical channel. These are the people who are working for their make changing their lives. These are people who are working to learn something, because we don't make entertainment content. That there is nothing bad in making entertainment content, but yes, if we have all these people, and we are working from 6 years now on this channel, we are doing like live stream, we have the WhatsApp group, I help people one to one also. Web help a lot of people. There are a lot of people in our community which help a lot of other people, whether it can be comments, whether it can be emails, it can be video calls. We do a lot of things, guys know, people who are associated with the channel, we know. And somebody come and then just put a copyright strike and YouTube delete your whole channel, that's really 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 bad. That's, I don't know, I have to think something about it, because yeah, there's something really not nice. And it's not like something we are making impact in the society. We are really doing something for the people here. We are not just telling you to do random things. The knowledge you will learn from this community, that we are learning together. I'm also learning a lot of stuff from you guys. When you share your stuff, it's something which is long term benefit for all of us. So this is, I think, something. That's why I'm like, I've never put the channel name to my own name, because I don't want to make the channel all about myself. And maybe in future we would have more people who can come on the channel, create content to help other people, to educate other people about all these topics. Maybe more topics on the tech, more AI literacy, because I think AI literacy is very low right now. People are just creating images from AI and just asking, like the questions you can search on Google. This is also important thing, guys. You have to understand, like, first of all, if you use pro version, do not ask everything for pro versions, for like small thing, like what is the capital of this place, that place. Just Google it. It saves energy, it put less load on the ecosystem, complete ecosystem. Do a vector search on Google. Like, don't just go for on AI for everything. Even if you go to AI, use lower models, like use maybe faster models. Do not use the pro version all the time, or do not use a thinking model to get answer about, like, something which is very very easy to know. So yeah, we have to be also thinking about sustainability and the environmental effect of using all these technologies we are using. Of course, I am a tech guy, I have to use all those things. I know it's not good for the environment, but yes, we can do how much we can. It's very very important. If we will not think about like environment, sustainability, who else will think about all these things? So this is really important that you do. You focus on these kind of things also. For example, for me, I have all the stacks, like all Gemini, ChatGPT, Grok, everything. Whenever I use the fastest models, when it's about news, I go to Grok. I think it's more optimized for news and stuff. When I do ask very basic information, I just go to Copilot and use the faster models. If I have to go like a little bit more deeper, I go to like Gemini, or if I'm doing big research, then I use Gemini Pro thinking model to get the best answers for my query, or to the whatever I'm doing. Yeah. Also for like tech, also you can use Claude, also really really good for programming. Gemini is also very good for programming. Even they all are like very very nice for these kind of things. But yes, use them, those models wisely. थैंक यू भैया फॉर यू मोस्ट वेलकम आदर्श भाई आप कौन हो यार आर यू द सेम गाय आई एम द सेम गाय ब्रूसली आर यू द सेम ब्रूसली ब्रूस आई एम नॉट द सेम Never thought about it. Yes, this is very important. I was talking with a friend of mine, and we talk about this in detail. And she has this point, like she's the one who deletes all the emails every day. Even that's not helping, because when you delete the email, that's also taking energy. It's like 0 or 1 0 1. So everything what we have on your mobile devices, all everything stored in binary. So like 0 1 0 1 0 1. So when you delete something, it does not mean it's the content is gone from there. It's just the address linking to the place that's gone. So even deleting is not really deleting. You have, it just means that you have more space to write on some in more information on it. But yes, deleting this stuff does not mean that you are bringing less load to the server, or you're bringing like you're more energy efficient. Maybe deleting would be more, you're consuming more energy on those things. So that should be always be, you should be keeping in mind about sustainability also. And with AI also is a big problem now. Like we have crypto boom. First crypto came and everybody was mining bitcoins, and electricity was like skyrocketed, and people were like like it's very bad. And then it happened. Like a lot of countries, a lot of residents, they are banned the crypto mining. For example, I think if you're living in residences which are like like you have the overall, like you pay a lump sum amount for your accommodation. I think it's not permitted to mine crypto on these places. Now after crypto, now we are in AI world. Like people, they're asking like big huge language models, like what is the for example, like name or say singer on this song or music. Like just it's better to do a vector search. It takes less energy. And yeah, you have to thinking about all these things. Every small thing change. Make sure you're using electricity properly. It's gonna be really really big thing in the future. Shubham Nimbalkar said hi. Hi Shubham, how are you? Where are you from? Are you from Maharashtra? Is GTA 6 good opportunity for YouTube? What do you think? I have no idea, man. I have no idea about GTA 6. So I won't tell you like is a good opportunity or not. It's not the best how to say, I'm not the best person to ask about GTA 6 and about gaming on YouTube. I have no idea about it. Maybe you should be asking this question to somebody who knows about gaming and also knows about GTA 6. Weba, okay, I don't get angry. I know it's support, but okay. Thank you so much, Adarsh. Yeah, yeah, I won't get angry, but yes, you don't need really, you really don't need to Adarsh. Spend this money on you do something. Go out, you're a student. Like I have my own business. I make money. I don't need money from you guys. It's this channel is not all about making money. So enjoy this money somewhere else, to on your hobbies, on movies, to going out with friends, eating something, buying something. What makes you happy? Okay. Any last question, guys? I think we're gonna wrap up the stream early a little bit. Yeah, it's a love from my side, no support. I will be really happy, Adarsh, if you get admission in a good college. If you be successful in life, that will be really that will really make me happy. भाई पूरा look change कर दिया. I think you change the look after 6 or 7 years. Yeah, yeah. No, I sometimes I change my look. I change my look time to time, but yeah, it's been long time I had like full beard, so now I say just change the look a little bit. Why not? So yeah, it's important to have some fun in life. What do you think about all these things? Yeah, why not change the look? Have try new things. When I was maybe in college, I was changing my beard a lot, and all the new looks all the time. But yeah, now it's more like yeah, but why not go for it? If you think something can make you cheer you up, make you more happy, and make you more confident, make you more, I don't know, just try new things. I think trying new things in life is very very important. Don't be afraid of trying new things. Yeah, true. Long time. Yeah. Sometime I change, but I don't make video those days, so it's just like nobody will know about all those things. Maybe it come back, the beard grow back. Yeah. Okay, guys. Last questions, and then we wrap up the stream. Vaughn, and if you're guys new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. Share the channel with somebody. If you, and also guys, if you can get hype the videos whenever I post the videos. Hype is a feature, like it comes to every YouTuber whenever any YouTuber posts the videos, and you have option to hype, which will decide that how much YouTube should promote this video. And uh, and also, like, when you hype videos, and it's also like it does not mean like big YouTuber get more high more hype, their content will provide more. No, I think it depends on the channel size. They got equal, like, like a subscriber to the subscriber ratio and the hype ratio. So for example, somebody got 1 million subscriber, they got like 25,000 hikes, and I got 42,000 subscriber. If you got like 10 hikes, does not mean their hypes are much more valuable. I think it would be the same. So if you can just hype the videos, that could be good support to the channel. Hi Vaughn, that's why I came to live to hear valuable advice. You're a great teacher. Thank you so much, Bruce Lee Daily. What is this channel, Bruce Lee Daily? Correct, bhaiya. I agree with you. Try new things. Trying new things is very, very important. If you're not trying new things in life, life become very boring. If you're doing the same thing again, go wake up in the morning, go to college or go to work, come back, eat your food again, and then go to sleep and repeat the same thing again, waiting for the weekend. No, that's not how you live. You're not living. You're wasting your time. Don't do that. Try new things. Pick a sport. Sport is very important. I don't know. You guys doing Webber? Bruce Lee, your name is Bruce Lee. You should be doing some sports or gym, or I don't know, some physical activities. That's really important. Play a game, go watch movies, go outside into cinemas. Pratesh, hi, how are you doing? Long time. Hello, sir. How are you? All good? Yes, Patel. I'm good. How are you doing? So yeah, the channel strike will expire on 16th of 14th of Feb. Okay. Can somebody tell me that if we can add somebody on the mobile live stream or not? Is it possible or not? I see sometimes they add people on the live stream, but how do they decide before going to live stream that who they want to connect, and they connect with the channel, or they could on they should have this you should have this feature. I really don't understand why they don't have this feature. Not in mobile. Bruce, Bruce Lee, don't stream GTA, just post videos in tips and tutorials for how to avoid distraction dopamine. Yeah, that's it. But I think the best way is to do exercise. Focus, I think, is very, very important. It really, for me, it's really helpful. For example, when I want to spend time on Instagram and stuff, I just, like, think about, like, start small walk, go outside, or just, like, just put your mobile away. And I got this tips from somebody. I think it's Tom Bilyeu. If you know this guy, he said, like, if you have to, like, if you're like really stuck in your phone, you cannot cannot move your face from there. You're just watching a lot of reels and Instagram. They say you should be focusing on three things around you. For example, if there's an image behind me, I could focus on there, and like one, two, three different things you focus. Your focus will instantly shift from the Instagram which you are sucked in. So yeah, that's a trick you can try. There are a lot of other things also. You can go out for a walk, or just close it, like, be disciplined, or set up a timer that you can use only for. Sometimes there are a lot of apps available also. which you can set up the distraction free mode, so nothing will disturb you, no notification will disturb you. For example, you like, okay, who messaged me on Instagram, who messaged me on Facebook or WhatsApp, you can use all those apps also. They're really nice apps. What about, I was thinking about, let's do, we never did a project about creating mobile apps. Would you guys be interested if I create a video about creating mobile apps using AI tools like vibe coding? Why not? It could be fun. We can create a lot of apps. I create a lot of apps in my career by coding, but yes, it could be interesting. Now we have AI, you can vibe code almost very, very nice apps, not really very complicated apps, because that would require a lot of tech skills also. And I was watching this new jobs now. So now, because we have so many vibe coded application on internet, now there's a new job role exists, which is like connect the vibe coded apps. So they need technical people to connect the, you know, like random code is generated by AI tools to work on those things. Not in mobile, okay. YouTube don't have this feature, sir. People add via third party app. Okay, I will look for it. So yeah, I use StreamYard, does not work. So I think the easiest way to go directly on YouTube and do the live stream from there instead of, like, you know, using a third party app. So you look like Tony Stark. Yes, please, one video creating app. Thank you so much, Tony Stark. I really like Tony Stark, but I didn't thought about Tony Stark. Robert, I really like Iron Man. It's a great movie. Yeah, it's very impressive movies. One video on app creating. Yes, that's what I'm thinking. Like, what kind of app we should create? Like, you know, like, give me idea so we can create a video about it. What kind of app would we like to create? Don't tell me they have to create age calculator or the age calculator, something like that. Tell me, give me a good idea so maybe I can create a video, or we can do a workshop. You know, I was thinking about, instead of doing a live stream, we can do workshop session also. So it could be more valuable, because sometimes, like, people come, they ask random questions, they have no idea about, like, the background, they have no idea about, like, all those things. They just want to, they just ask a lot of questions quickly, and that's totally fine. That's not bad thing, fine. But also I think we should be making more workshop for the people who are invested really in all these things deeply. So for those people, we should be having more workshop. For example, in last video I created, like, about AI web development, that we should be making more workshop on the channel. So I think that will be coming this year. What do you guys think about it? I think it will be a good idea to have workshop with people. And like last time we are talking with my friend Manu also, so we can invite more guests on the channel and have more workshop on all those topics. For example, like Vaibhav is also expert in SEO and optimization. We can have one workshop with Vaibhav and somebody who want to join. If you guys are interested, if Vaibhav has time, and if he's kind enough to give us some time about it, or I can ask my friends. For example, I have different friends, they have like last time we were talking, he got very good knowledge in AWS, he worked with Amazon. So yes, he might share some of his valuable information about that topic. And then I have a lot of other connections which might be helpful for you guys if we have workshop. But there's something we have to think about it. If we create a workshop, we spend a lot of time and nobody's watching, that's another point. At the same time, I understand the whole idea is not to having a lot of views, but still, you know, like, if you're putting efforts into something and it's valuable, people, it should reach to more people. That's a natural how to say, expectation anybody would have from the content. So yeah, so that's the idea for coming days. More AI tutorials. Which platform do you use for vibe coding apps? A lot of tools available. I use mostly Claude is good. Gemini I use. Gemini is good, and then you have so many other, like, platform. I have not, because I'm, like, more into tech, not into vibe coding. Yeah, it's really cool. But until now, because we have the proper projects, we are the big companies we work with, so we are, like, not into vibe coding. If Yeah, so yes, but we do different kind of AI tools uh, for depending what requirement we have, and also depending on the project also. But mostly we are coding is the main thing. Brother, which books are behind you? Any book recommendation which you have most? So many. Uh, this yeah, why not? You can, if you can read somebody, you should read a book. Let me tell you, longest. So I was reading this book, which is the longest study happened to the humankind. I forgot the name. Maybe I'll post you in the WhatsApp group. So this study happened from 1914 until 2000 something, like 100, almost 100 years of study happened on humankind, and they have a lot of different information came out from these studies, and on different topics about the life expectancy, about effect of education on your life, on your happiness, about the effect of families, being a family person, friendship with being with friends, on all those things. So that's a really good book, but I am not getting the name right now. And then there are a lot of self improvement books. There are a lot of books here and back also, there also. So yeah, I try to read one book every month. So it could be any book. Right now I'm reading this book. Is Joy of Living. Yeah, it's a Tibetan book. I bought in monastery. This I'm reading, and then a lot of books to Psychology of Money, 4 Hours Work Week, the Tim Ferriss. If you guys know Tim Ferriss, it's a really very nice guy. You can follow him on Spotify. But also this one I finished it. I can show you. So this is the one I'm currently reading these days. I have another book also, the same with the same writer. It is the how is it, the Guru from Mr. Yogi Rinpoche. So this is the same book, but I finished this one. This is called Being Ultimately Perfect, and now this is the one I'm reading, The Joy of Living. And then also, like I think last month I read this one, The 4 Hours Work Week by Tim Ferriss. It's a really nice book, and it's more talk about, like, escape 9 to 5, but it might be advanced for a lot of people. If you guys are not into this stuff, it might be a little bit complicated. So you can read a lot of easy books. I have some books there. Let me see which one I can suggest you. Yeah, if you want to read this, a book called The Mountain Is You is a good book, but it's a little bit controversial, which is sometimes people like it, some people don't like it. I think I like it. And there is one book which is with seven habits of successful people. This is a very nice book, very basic book. I can recommend to anyone if you want to start get into reading. That's a really nice book, available everywhere. It can be available in different languages, depending. I think one of the most successful book. Let me see if I can bring that book, because that's something which I recommend everybody to really. So I got few books here too also. So many books here. So this is the. Wait, I have to stack them. Yeah, so this is the book you should be reading. It's a nice book for beginners. Is really cool. Then I have Influencer, Mountain Is You, and then there's so many books. Winner of the Orange Prize. Yeah, and some books are for like learning French language. I got. Just read anything, man. You should be like. You should be start reading, and then you can make your own interest and know about more. You can also always find the Goodreads. There's an app called Goodreads. You can find so much information about reading good books there, depending on your interest, what you have interest in. So if you are spending all the time in tech, you would like to maybe read something which is not tech, just to distract your mind. So yeah, it depends on you. So which projects you have worked in app development? So many projects, dear. Yes, so many projects. I'm working in this field from 17 years. So many projects we work in, so many applications for App Store and Play Store, and yeah, so many softwares. Can you play Bruce Lee? I'm not in the. Yeah, send me a message, or we can add you into WhatsApp group. Yeah. Also, yeah, watch the video on the channel to join the WhatsApp group. It's available on the channel. You can go, and there's a link there to join the WhatsApp group. The video, let me tell you, videos how it is called. So you can search that video. Search WhatsApp. I think you'll find the video. So the video is called WhatsApp community announcement, purpose, rules, and get help. So yeah, this is the video you should watch first to join the group, and then there's a link there. Thank you Vaibhav, for yeah, for your answer. Yeah, and this video is available in multiple languages also. Okay, this is it, guys. I think we should end this stream here. It's almost 1 hour we on the stream. It was really nice talking to you guys today. Final glitch we have. We could not have Pallav today on the stream. Yeah, maybe he's watching. He's not answering. He's not saying something. So yeah, it was nice talking to you guys today. Yeah, I hope we will get this issues done and we can invite more people. What about the Zoom group? Do you guys would like to do Zoom? I did once, like once we did Zoom call, but it was more with the WhatsApp group we have, not for the, because we have so many people, it will be very impossible. It will like almost impossible to handle the crowd and to keep the discussion focused. You are most welcome, Bruce Lee. Okay, so yeah, let's end the stream here. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining today. Vaibhav, Bruce Lee, Yash, who else is there? Everybody else who joined today, thank you so much. Adarsh, Born Pixel, everybody who was on the channel, for the regular people, regular subscriber, and also for the people who are new to the channel. It was a great pleasure talking to all of you guys. Keep learning, keep improving your skills, and then let's meet next Wednesday, same time, around 3, between 3 to 3:30 p.m. Central European time. I think which would be in India around like 6 6:30 or 7:30 around. Yeah, same time. Yeah, and if you have any questions, let me know via comments or send me email, or you can join the WhatsApp group. Yeah, have a nice weekend also, and then see you next time. Okay, there's one last question we have. Seven habits. Yeah, this is a nice book you can read in language. What is the question? Please भैया, मेरा कमज़ोर इंग्लिश कमज़ोर है, अपनी इंग्लिश को कैसे ठीक करूं? If you want to improve your English, start reading and start watching the content in English with subtitles. That's all you can do. It's all about practice. Like the more practice you do, the better you will become. It's like about anything. Imagine when you're a child, you didn't know even your native language. You learn like step by step. And I think English, for anybody who's living in India or any former English British colony or Commonwealth countries, it's natural for us because we have so many things around us which are in English. Just do more practice. It's just a matter of time. The more practice you will do, the faster you will become better in that language. Yeah, so that's the best advice I could give you. You can watch the movies with the subtitles. So for example, if they're saying something, if you don't understand meaning of something, you can look for subtitles also. And there are a lot of apps also. For example, there's an app called grammar sorry, what is the name of Duolingo? Is a famous app. You can learn any language. It's just practice, man. It's just practice. Like, it's just a language, not a big thing, and it should be like the more time you spend, the better you'll become. That's this very simple logic. It's not about English, it's about anything you do. Like, the more time you spend, the better you'll become on the thing. Yeah, I don't remember the name of that book. I will send you later. Because I gifted this book to somebody, a friend of mine, so I don't have that book anymore with me. But wait. Let me. I think I found the name. I think it's called Aging Well. Let me search. I remember the name. Let me show you on the laptop. Yeah, okay. I found the book. It's a real nice book. It could be a little bit expensive because here it shows like $20 for this book, but you can uh, get your hands on maybe in some library somewhere. You can have this book. Okay, so this is the book called Aging Well. This is the cover of the book. So this is a real nice book. Surprising guidepost to a happier life, Harvard study on for adult development. So this was a study on adult development, and there are 2 or 3 studying happening. This is the book cover. You can buy on Amazon. You can find somewhere. It's a real nice book. It's for everything. For it's not just for like older people or younger people. It's a very nice book to read. Okay, yeah, okay, guys. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining the stream. Thank you so much for being so fun and also for your questions. I hope I answered your question very well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. And let's meet on next Wednesday. Goodbye, take care, enjoy the weekend, take a break, and relax.